Something that you always have to do is deleting history. For anything that you model, Maya always retains a history of the modeling. So it retains where you started from. So now if I click on this object, and in my channel box, you can see I have a lot of things going on here. It retains where this object started and what you've done to it. So it's telling me I've started from a sphere, I've deleted some things, I have added a cylinder to it, deleted some things, and I have merged them together, and I've bridged edges, and then I've deleted something else. So this is the history of the object, and I've not done much to these two objects. These are still sphere, a cylinder. I haven't really done too much to them, but as you keep building more complex objects, this keeps stacking up and creates a lot of stuff that you don't really want. Once you're done modeling a specific thing, once you're happy with it, you want to delete the history so that this stuff is not there and that your model is clean. Apart from this, you can also see that when we combine this object, so I combined this object earlier, it's created some additional elements in the outliner which we don't want either. And if you let this be, if you keep this, as you keep modeling, your model might break at certain points. Once you start modeling, creating layers, combining stuff, your model is very prone to breaking if you keep this history. So we keep deleting it as we work on our projects. And how do we do that? We go to click on the object that you want to delete history from and go to edit, delete by type, history. This is very important. You see it cleaned all of that up. It cleaned the outliner up. And now we have a nice clean object here. But you can also delete all the history in your file by going to edit, delete all by type, and history. And that'll delete the history from every object you have in this file. If you do want to delete it for just one object still, you can select that object and you can click on this icon right here. This also does what this menu option does right here, delete by tab history. So if you just select the object, click on this icon, you can delete the history. Keep doing this as you're working. Do not forget to do it, and keep your outliner clean, keep your channel box clean. Just good practices while you're modeling.